everyone, this is Ralu and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video for you guys. I purchased some items from Amazon for the past couple of months and I thought they were fabulous and I said, hey, why not share it all with you? I was blown away by the quality and the price. So if you want to see what I got, then keep watching. The first product that I want to show you is this. This is a facial scrub that I found through Amazon. This is by a brand called Acure. And I was familiar with the brand, but I've never tried the facial scrub. And I was browsing around Amazon to see what's new, what's bestsellers in the beauty section. Skincare is one of my favorite sections to browse through there. And this one appeared under, facial cleansers, facial scrubs, and things like that. I'm like, hey, I've never tried that. So I bought it and I love it. This is a very natural facial scrub, nothing chemical in it. Sees the day with natural exfoliation from the ocean. Sea kelp, super nutrients, soften and detoxify with lemon peel and French green clay. Cleanse without stripping away natural moisture. This is fantastic. I absolutely love it. I've been using it before Christmas. I think I got the first one, and this is really good. It has a very nice scent. It kind of smells like lemon mixed with clay, that kind of smell. Very nice, very pleasant, very light, nothing too headachy. Some of these products, they give you a headache. As you can see on the box, it won the Allure stamp in 2016. I actually saw it in one of their magazines this year advertised. It's a very good scrub and I highly recommend it. It has this dark color. It looks dark like that. It has very fine granules in it, exfoliating, very nice. Yeah, what can I say, you guys? I'm really impressed with it. I highly recommend it. It's only like $19, and I think that if you have Amazon Pantry, for those of you who know what that is, it's like you pay $4 a month and you can get all kinds of groceries with free shipping and everything. I think it was $8 with Amazon Pantry, which is fantastic. But I paid $19 for it. I think it's a great price for what you get. This is 4 ounces for this product, and you only use a little bit of the time, and you don't use this every day. You use maybe what did I say, use 3 times a week for glowing results. So the next item that I want to show you guys is this. This is a vitamin C serum by a brand called TruSkin Naturals. This is another order that I just kind of was browsing through Amazon and I saw it was a bestseller, so I was like, hey, I'm gonna give this a try. Well, I don't regret that I did, because this turned out to be really good. So you would use this after you wash your face, you pat dry your skin, you use your toner, and then you apply this, then your moisturizer. Now you all know how I am a huge fan of Estee Lauder skincare, and I've been using their Advanced Night Repair for over 10 years religiously every night. And so, well, I ran out of it, and I was like, I'm gonna give this a shot instead of that one. It's not like I don't like the other one. I still like that one, but I've been using this ever since October, I believe. I purchased this one of last year, and it's actually very, very good. It's supposed to diminish some sun. I have some sunspots right here, and it didn't really got completely rid of them, but it did lighten them quite a bit. I noticed the texture of my skin improved quite a bit. So since I've been using this, and I'm thinking about actually getting the Advanced Night Repair, mixing it with this and using it every night. They call it an Advanced Antioxidant Serum, and this is a vitamin C mixed with botanical hyaluronic acid, vitamin E. It's supposed to target sunspots, dark spots, wrinkles, fine line firmness, brightness, the common signs of aging, which I think it does a really good job. Like I said, my skin looks, more like how do I say, like plumper. They say it's plant-based, free of synthetic color additives and fragrances. And yes, it is. I don't really, it doesn't have much of a smell really. It also has witch hazel in it, which is great for tightening your pores. All kinds of good stuff. That's why I recommend it. Besides that, I want to say that their customer service with Amazon has been fabulous. I've been talking back and forth with this lady. Her name, I think it's Erica, so I'm gonna forward a video to her. So hi Erica, thank you so much for sending me a second bottle of this. I tried the first one. She contacted me. She said, hey, I want to know what your progress is, and I told her that I like it. I didn't see much of a difference in the sunspots, and she sent me a second bottle to try it out on a longer time. I really like it. It's also a bestseller in Amazon, which I believe rightfully so, because it's a really good product. Like I said, right now it's $19.99 with Prime. You get free shipping. I mean, it's a great price for a product of this quality, really. And if you go online and look at the reviews underneath, you'd be blown away by people posting pictures before and after, and that's what got me. These are real customers posting pictures before and after, and that's why I decided to try it. I also want to mention that I tried their eye cream. I don't have it anymore. I kept the bottle for the video and I don't know what happened with it. I'm gonna insert a picture of the eye gel with stem cells. I also thought it was wonderful. I will get that one again. What can I say? Great discovery when it comes to skincare. This stuff is great. The next couple of items are makeup, and they were recommended to me by a friend of mine from Instagram, and her name is Corina. Thank you for recommending me these. I actually really do like them. That's why I'm mentioning it in this video. The first one is this. This is a highlighting palette. It's from a brand that it's called UCABE. It's called Glow Kit Crystal Sugar. I don't know if this is a dupe for anything, but it's amazing. I mean, take a look at the colors of this stuff. It's beautiful. You got Gumdrop, Marshmallow, and Starburst. Stardust or Starburst? No, it's Starburst. Very, very pretty. It's very, you can apply a lot of it on and it's like, whoa. They are very pigmented, and even though you see the colors over there, like the middle one, the marshmallow, you can see the peachy kind of tone in it, but really it comes out like a really beautiful gold highlighter. This was $6.49. It's $6.49 as I'm looking at it right now. I think it's wonderful. For $6, you have nothing to lose. I think that you would be surprised if you get this to see how good they are for what you paid for. And the last thing that I want to show you guys is this. This is an eyeshadow palette from a company called Glazed. This is what it looks like. We had a little bit of an incident, as you can see, with this eyeshadow palette. I received it and I received it damaged, and I was going back and forth with the customer service. They were nice about it. They were nice to refund the eyeshadow palette and let me keep it. So am I impressed with this? Yeah, I am impressed with it, because for almost $12 you get a 35 eyeshadow palette. Some of the eyeshadows, I'm gonna insert swatches over here. Some of the eyeshadows are more pigmented than others. They are a little bit, what am I trying to say? They are, some of the mattes are a little bit powdery, but I mean, I have more expensive eyeshadow palettes who are powdery, and you just have to work with them. But the swatches show some of them are shimmery and some of them are matte. I kind of like that the darker shades are not as intense, because I don't normally like to wear such a strong colors. I think it's a perfect eyeshadow palette for like an everyday wear, if you want to call it that way. If you're kind of new to makeup and you want to try and play with some eyeshadows, these are great. I've been wearing it as an everyday. In the video that I was trying out the palette, the Glow palette, I did my eye makeup with it, and I liked it. Actually, here's directions on the back of it. It says, apply gently with a brush. Foil textures deliver their maximum payoff when applied with fingertips. So I guess some of the eyeshadows here are, who are more shimmery would be considered kind of like foil textures. They seem to pop better with the primer underneath. I use primer on my eyelids all the time if I'm gonna put eyeshadow on. Anyways, that's it. That's all the products that I wanted to share with you guys. I think they are great, and I think the prices are great. Especially if you have Prime with Amazon, you get the free shipping. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!